What up, dudes? Happy Friday. Thanks for tuning in to the DIY Designer. I'm Orly Shani. I have a fantastically simple DIY for you today. So I posted this sweatshirt. This was a long sleeve, regular, like crew neck sweatshirt that I had that I chopped. It seemed so self-explanatory to me that I could not believe I was getting questions on, oh my God, show us how to cut that. And then I realized not everyone is as addicted to their skizzers as I am. So I'm gonna show you guys how to turn a regular old sweatshirt into sort of an off-the-shoulder 80s type situation, which is super in. You do not have to crop it if you don't want to show your tummy. You can leave that part completely undone, but I am going to show you the neck and the sleeves. And then I'm also going to show you how to turn an oversized t-shirt into a muscle tee. So muscle tees are super cute, again, if you're comfortable with showing some skin, because it shows that sort of side of your body, which is really fun and really cute, especially because there's so many cool bras that you can wear that kind of show it off. Those are the two that we're going to do. They're super simple. All you need are fabric scissors. And I really recommend hitting up a local thrift store for these items. You don't need them to be really well fitted, again, because we're gonna be chopping them. All you need is a print that you think is cool. So I'm gonna be doing this kind of, you know, like camouflage situation, not army camo, but like hunting camo. And then also this red sweatshirt. Both not in the best shape, not great, but really cool colors and really cool prints that I think are gonna look cute. So let's do our materials. Alrighty, here is my sweatshirt. So the first thing I'm gonna do is fold it in half. Now, I always recommend folding it in half when you are cutting something because it ensures that you're cutting it evenly on the right and the left. In order to make it even, you always have to check your seams. So I start with my neckline and then I look at my shoulder, making sure that they're perfectly even, and now I can go ahead and cut. So you wanna take your fabric scissors and you're gonna cut a little bit larger than the neckline, but not too much. I'd say don't go more than about 1.5 inches outside the neckline. Now, I originally cut the sleeves off, leaving about 4 inches, but when I tried it on, I didn't really like the way the sleeves looked, so I went back without the camera and I cut it right there along the shoulder seam. Here you can see I haven't quite cut it yet. Now it's time to crop it. So when you're cropping it though, I would actually fold it in half the other way so that the front is in front of you and the back is further away from you. Now when you cut, you'll make sure that it's even across the front and the back. And again, I just cut off a couple of inches there and it was ready to go. Now I moved on to my t-shirt. This is super important to make sure that all your seams, shoulder seams, sleeves, everything is perfectly in line. Now I grabbed a muscle tee that I love the fit of and I just made a marking on the top and the bottom and then connected that together, basically rubbing off that pattern. And that was it for that one, you guys. What do you guys think? Do you like this one? Do you think you'll do this one? I think it's a really great DIY, especially because you can really hit up the local thrift store, grab something that you think is cool, usually in the men's section actually. Grab a shirt that's way too big for you or one that fits you just right. And as long as you have a muscle tee at home that you already love the fit of, you can use that as a guide. So it makes it super simple, it makes it really easy. And if not, buy a couple extra t-shirts on a day that they've got a huge sale and just test. Test how low you want it to go, test how much you want it to go in, and you can kind of play around and have some fun with that. So I hope that you guys liked this one. If you did, hit the like button, that's always super helpful, and subscribe if you're new to the channel, because I'd love to show you what I got. We got another great one next week. I can't wait to show you guys. Love you. Mwah.